Yes. You know that 3 in 3 table, you can observe. So 3 table, it means you know the 3 divisibility rule. What is the rule? So you just add
You
that
should
number. It
add
means
all. You should add all the numbers, and it can be divisible by
divide by
4.
3.
3. It will
Yeah.
3.
Yes. You just add these numbers. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 4,
6.
6 plus 1,
6. 7.
6 plus 1, 7. 7, is it divided by 3?
No, ma'am.
Yes, then it is not divisible by 3. You just remember, okay? 2 table
Ma'am,
means you know that. Yes, Telma.
2 table also not divisible, ma'am.
I bring the book, ma'am.
Yeah. 2
Then
divisibility
2
rule means in the ones place
it,
0,
it
2, 4, 6,
4.
8 will come means that number, that whole number is divisible by 2. This is the 2 divisibility rule and this is the 3 divisibility rule. 3 divisibility rule means first you have to add the digits. After you just divide by 3. That's it. Yes, Telma. Gargi,
Ma'am,
Telma, is there any doubt?
ma'am, I have doubt in equivalent fraction. That one, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I like in
Page
ma'am they
number.
gave ma'am simply they gave one question, ma'am. 8 by
Okay.
12. We have to
Okay.
find its equivalent fraction, ma'am.
Yeah. You just multiply by 2. Okay. 8 twos are 16. 12 twos are 24. Then you just multiply by 3. 8 threes are 24.
24.
12 threes are 36. These are the equivalent
36.
fractions. Now,
Ma'am,
this
they give
you
more
just
than
multiply this fraction only. Don't multiply to this fraction. You just remember what they given no, so that one only you have to multiply. So first you just multiply by 2, you will get one fraction, equivalent fraction. Then you just multiply this fraction into 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you will get the equivalent fractions. Then is there any doubt?
no, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yesterday up to where we already completed equivalent fraction.
Ma'am, we completed try these questions.
Yeah.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Start simplest form of fraction.
Yeah, I have to start simplest form of a fraction now itself, isn't it? Now
Yes.
still my voice is breaking. Audio and video both are clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now it is clear. That time it was breaking a lot.
Okay. Network issues. Okay, Dan. You know that you have to find out the equivalent fractions means you just multiply. Then you will get the answer. Numerator and denominator, this is a fraction. You just multiply same value. Then you will get the equivalent fractions. You know that. So first start from 2, after 3, 4, 5. Then you will get the equivalent fraction. Then now we just discuss about simplest form of a fraction. How we have to solve? It means here one value is here 36 divided by 54. You know that. So equivalent fraction means we just multiply, then you will get the equivalent fractions. But here what we
Ma'am,
have to
here
do
we
means divided by 2. Both these numbers, is it divided by 2? How you can find out? You just look at the ones place.
ma'am,
Here is 6 and here is 4.
Ma'am,
Yes, of course,
both
both
also
the numbers
divisible.
are divided by
find
2.
ma'am, we
Yeah.
have
So you just divide.
to get to
What,
uh, to find
what
this
happened,
as
ma'am?
ma'am, we have to find the HCF, right? Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma. I'm here only. Wait. That one only I have to explain. Wait. I just start now. Okay. Wait, ma. 18 and 27 also have common factors other than 1. So like this, these are the common factor. So which one is the highest common factor? 9. So you just divide. Yes. So you just find the HCF, then easily you can divide. Look at here. So again, and you start from 2 means after you just divide by 3, after you just divided by 4, like this, it's going on. So it is a long process. So that's why what we have to do. So you just take HCF, then it's very easy to find, isn't it? So 36 and 54. 36 and 54. Yes. 36 factors, common factors. So it is divisible by
Ma'am.
2.
Ma'am, 2,
1,
3,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
6,
9,
9 is,
9,
yeah. Then
18,
18.
12. 12 also.
and even 12
Yes,
also.
ma'am. Ma'am, 18
Yeah.
also.
23 also. 23, no. 18 also. 18 already wrote. Then 36.
And then
36.
That's it. Yeah. Wait. Easy form, easy way I just explained. Wait. A fraction is said to be in the simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. You just remember, first you have to, when you have to find out the HCF, that one only I am telling, listen carefully. So here both the numbers have common factor 1, except 1 it has, listen carefully, 18 and 27 have common factors other than 1 or 1, 3, 9. So highest common factor is 9. So that's why we can consider that one. You just divide 18 and 27, then you will get the simplest form. Before going to that, we see that both 36 and 54 are divisible by 2. Look at here. First you have to divide by 2. So then you can find out the HCF. Why we have to do means, so here 36 and 54 both are divisible by 2. So you just convert into simplest form. So after you can convert, you can find out the common factors and which one is the HCF, then that one only you can consider. Okay, you just divide. Listen carefully. First you just divide by 2. So 36 divided by 2, and also here 54 is also divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, so 1 remaining. Then 18, 8s are 2, 8s are 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then remaining is 1, 14, 2 7s are. So what is the answer? You will get 18 and 27.
18 by
18
27.
divided by 27. Isn't it? So after you can take HCF. You know that HCF, how you have to find out? You just write down the factors. So 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, then 3 is the factor, then 6 is the factor, then 9 is the factor. Isn't it?
18.
After 18. So 27 means 1, 3, 9, 27. Isn't it? So here we have to find out the common factor. So 1 is the common factor, 3 is the common factor, 9 is the common factor. 1, 3, 9. So you are going to find out the HCF. Which one is the highest common factor? 9. So that one only you can consider and divide. 18, 27 divided by 9, divided by 9, 9 ones are 9 twos are, then 9 ones are 9 threes are. So 2 by 3 is the simplest form of 36 divided by 24. Is it easy?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
How to find out the HCF? You know that, all of you. Isn't it?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
easy?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am,
tell me.
after we divide 36 by 54, we get 18 by 27. Can we stop it right there only, no, ma'am?
No. It can also divided by, that is not the simplest form. You just observe, you know that 18 and 27 comes under same one table. It means that is three table also. You can divide it by 3. 3 6 are 18 and 3 9s are. 6 and 9 also it is divisible by 3 only. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So 2 by 3 is the simplest form. So you have to solve so many steps, no? So that's why you just find out the HCF, then directly you can divide it by 9. You will get the simplest form. 2 by 3 is the simplest form. Why we can consider it as simplest form? We can't divide again. That's why. Clear?
Ma'am, because those are only divided by only their numbers.
Huh?
Ma'am, because
Once again.
2 and 3, both of them are divided only with their numbers.
It means those two are not comes under single table. So that's why we can't divide that one. So that one we can consider it as simplest form. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? You just write down this one. Here to here. A fraction
Okay,
is
ma'am.
said to be in the simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except one. You can observe here 2 and 3 common factor, you just tell 2 common factor are 1, 2 and 3 common factor are 1, 3. There is no common factor except one. So this one we can consider it as simplest form. Understood? Clear?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it should be prime number.
Yeah, of course. So that one we can consider it as prime number. So then you will get the prime numbers means you just stop stop there itself. It means that is the simplest form. Okay. So you just write down this one here to here. Fast.
Ma'am, if we get one composite number also, we have to still divide, no, ma'am, to finally get one
Yeah, you
prime
can
number, no, ma'am.
just divide up to you when you get the prime numbers up to that you just stop. Otherwise you just divide. It means there are two ways. You can divide by single table, otherwise you can divide directly. So single table means you will take so many steps. You have to do so many steps. So whether best you just do find out the HCF. Through this method you can find out easily simplest form. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So two method here, you can divide it by single value, single table, otherwise HCF. HCF is shortest method. This is lengthy method. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just write down
Ma'am,
this one
when
here
will
to here.
you give the integer chapter test?
Yeah, I just inform. All should be ready. Saturday or Monday, I just conduct the test. Day after tomorrow, Saturday or Monday, I just conduct the test. Be ready. Integers lesson.
Ma'am, when will you give the 2 days only?
Yes, ma'am?
Ma'am, when will you give the holidays for 2 days one?
That is Vijayadashmi festival, ma. Dasra. 2 days only.
Oh.
Puja function is there, no? 2 days. At that moment only, I just give holiday. And Eid Milad is
Okay,
there. After. Okay, don't worry. You want holidays?
No, ma'am.
Only 4. Sindhu left. What is this? So 21st onwards, my school will start full day. It means mornings 9:30 to 4:30. So at that moment, what I have to do? Mahantesh, is it
Ma'am,
possible 6 to 6:45 morning? Evening session, Harivardhan is busy with other class, 6 to 9. When I have to take the class?
ma'am, Mahantesh left the meeting.
Ma'am, now
Remaining
only
3 students. Only 3 students,
Ma'am,
Magaki.
you can take the class morning only, ma'am.
Ma'am,
See here,
Hantesh came.
number of, yeah. So number of strength too low means I just stop the class. That one only I am telling you people. So day by day, number of students decreasing. It means some other class, because of some other class and all. School will start full day, no? So that is the
Ma'am,
reason so many
today
students left.
Sneha came to offline school.
Okay. Yes, you just inform me. Yes, Harivardhan, is there any changes in table tennis class timings? Morning session?
No, ma'am.
Then timing 6 to 9,
Yes, ma'am.
every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, you can
Then
take the
when I
class
take the
at
class?
morning only.
Morning. Mahantesh, is it possible morning 6 to 6:45?
No, ma'am.
Your van will come at 7:45, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, up to that you can ready. You will prepare and prepare your box and all. You can go. There
Yes,
is no
ma'am.
time to me also. Amma, 6
Nothing,
to
ma'am.
6:45 is best time. You just discuss with your mother. Okay. So evening
Yes,
session.
ma'am.
When 21st onwards, school will start full day. My school. So I don't have time to take the class 4 to 4:45. So that's why. And evening session, some other students have classes. And also I have offline class 6 to 7. So that's why, that is the reason. So if you are ready with that means I just take the class 6 to 6:45. So after you can take bath and go. Okay. 6 to
Yes,
6:45
ma'am.
means exact. Okay, you just discuss with your mother.
Yes, ma'am.
21st onwards. Okay, 21st onwards. Yes, this one is completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See,
Yes, ma'am.
the shortest way. The shortest way means I already told you people, that is you just find out the HCF and just divide. Then you will get the answer. Look at here. This is the shortest method. It means 36 and 24. The HCF is 12. You directly divide this one by 12. You will get the answer. This is the shortest method. You just write down here to here. This one. Here to here. So I just write here 24, 36. So you just divide by 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 eights are. Again divided by 2, 2 six are, then 2 nines are. Then you can divide it by 3, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are. Isn't it? So then you just, yeah. So you just divided by, you just multiply these value, then you will get the answer 12. Otherwise, another method is there. So you just find out the, like this. Two methods here. I just explain. Listen carefully. So 24 you can, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 six are, then 2 threes are. Then you can write here 36 also in the same method. 2 ones are, 2 eights are, then 2 nines are, then 3 threes are. You just write down here 24, you can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then this one 36 you can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So you have to find out the HCF means. So which one is the common factor here? So that one you just encircle like this. So 2 is the common factor. Common. Then 3 also. You just multiply. 2 just write down one time. And also 2 is common. Then into 3. You just multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 is the HCF. Isn't it? You directly divided by 12, you will get the answer. Write down these steps in your notebook.
Ma'am, should we write consider 36 by 24? Should we write that also?
Yeah, that is the question. Don't write consider. You just write down the question 36 divided by 24. Only 4. Right, ma.
Ma'am, your screen is frozen. Ma'am, now it is fine.
Yes, it's completed. This one, how to find out the HCF is completed now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm writing. I'm encircling the common factors.
Yes, make it fast. You just inform to your friends, ma. So nearly 7 to 8 students means I can continue the classes. So 4, 5 students means what is this? Sometimes they are attending the class, others. Shreya and others.
Ma'am, completed.
Good. Others? Yuvraj, Mahantesh, Gargi completed na?
Ma'am finished.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gargi was completed, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can write down this one. Here to here.
Ma'am, that I wrote first only, ma'am.
Okay. HCF also completed, na?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should we write
Yes.
fraction 3 by 2 is the lowest form? Should we write that also?
No, no, no. Don't write. Don't write. You know that. That is the
Okay.
lowest form. Yeah.
Ma'am, 3 by
This
2
is the easy
improper
method.
fraction.
Yeah, that one is the improper fraction. Very good. So these problems, take it as homework. You can solve at home after my class. Clear? All of you completed? So this one you just solve after. Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I just start 7.3 exercise. Okay, so write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? Yes, you just find out the fractions
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
just ask
all
one
these
by one.
Yes, ma'am.
I just ask one by one. You just tell the fraction. Okay. Yes, Gargi, tell first one fraction. In fraction.
Ma'am, 1/2.
Yeah, one is shaded part. So two is total number of parts. Very good. Yes, Harivardhan. Second one.
Ma'am, 1/4.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 2
Just
by
see.
4. 2 by 4.
Yeah, 2 by 4. Very good. Next one.
Ma'am, can I
Yuvraj.
tell, ma'am? Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. 3/6.
3 by 6. Very good. Mahantesh.
Yes, ma'am. 4/8.
Very good. 4 by 8. You can observe. So all these are equivalent fractions. How you can find out? So this part only off.
Into
So
1.
here also off
Into
part.
2.
Here also off part.
Ma'am,
Here
we
also
can,
off
we
part.
have to,
Here they are multiplying by 2. It means here they are again divided into 2 parts. Here they are again divided into 3 parts.
3.
Here they are again divided into 4 parts.
4
Understood?
parts.
ma'am,
Yeah.
we have to divide the 2/4, 3/6, and 4/8. Ma'am.
You will get the same answer. That is 1 by 2 only. Just write down this one in your notebook fast. You just draw the figure and write.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, should we write the question also?
You just write 7.3 exercise first main. A. Write down the answer.
Ma'am, completed.
Good. Is there any class from 5 to 6?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Mahantesh? Is there any class, Ma? Yuvraj, Arivardhan?
No, ma'am.
5 to 6. Yes. Good. Harivardhan and Mahantesh, is there any class? Inform me fast.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Ma.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Mahantesh,
Ma'am, your screen is
Yes, ma'am.
frozen.
is there any class,
Yes,
ma?
ma'am.
5 to 6? 5 to 6?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Harivardhan, you also know. Your class
No.
start from 6, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. So I just see. So Shreya has class, but she is not here. Okay, we just discuss later. Yes, complete this one fast. Make it fast.
Ma'am, I
Those who are
completed.
good.
Ma'am,
All of you.
ma'am, I divided ma'am, I divided them and I got the answer as 1 by 2 for 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8.
Second one, na?
No, ma'am, the first one.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for the second one, we have to draw the figure also, ma'am.
Second one, yeah. Yes. Wait, ma. Okay. Yes, tell. First one fraction, Magargi. First one
Yes,
in
ma'am.
fraction.
Ma'am, 8 by 9.
So no.
1 minute, ma'am.
So you just write this one is the shaded part. Total number of circles?
Ma'am, 9 by 4. Ma'am, 4 by 9.
No.
Ma'am, 12 by. So 4 by
Ma'am,
12.
12. Ma'am, 4 by 12.
Yeah, 4 by 12 is the right answer. Because 12 circles here, but instead of that one, 4 circles are shaded. Yes, good. Mahantesh, second one.
Yes, ma'am. 9 by 3. 3 by 9.
3 by 9. Very good. Yes, Yuvraj, third one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see the third one because camera that all are there. Can you?
Okay, it's okay, no issue. So 2 circles are shaded here. It
Ma'am,
means
I
2
can see,
divided by.
ma'am. Ma'am, I can see, ma'am.
Yeah,
Two.
wait. I just write this one. Next one you can tell. Okay.
Ma'am,
So 2
2 by
2
6.
circles. Yeah, 2 by 6. Very good. Next one. Wait. I just write this one. 1 by 3. Yes. Harivardhan, tell this one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5 by 15.
No.
Ma'am, 6, ma'am.
Again,
6
check.
by
6 divided by 15.
15, ma'am.
Isn't it? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
good. Okay. Then you just find out these are equivalent fractions.
No, ma'am.
No, these are not equivalent fractions. Yes, just write down the fractions. Make it fast.
Ma'am, should we draw also?
So you just write directly in the textbook by using pencil. Now there is no time to draw. That's why. Fast.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, completed.
Good. All of you completed?
1 minute, ma'am. I'm writing the third one answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I finished.
Good. Completed now?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. So here, write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. So from each row, you have to pair. Okay, from each row. Yeah, I just show. Wait. Easily you can just write down directly. You can write in this one textbook only. There is no time. That's why. So 7.3 in that. Yes, we already completed this one. Okay, now what we have to do? So you just write down in, okay. Yes, look at here. First we just write down the fractions. Okay. Yes. Tell me first one, Gargi, fraction.
1/2.
1/2. Next one, Harivardhan.
Ma'am, 2/6.
Huh? This one, B.
Yes, ma'am, 2/6.
2/6. See carefully.
Ma'am, you mean
Check.
brown color is shaded that part, ma'am?
How many parts are shaded? Look at here. 1, 2, 3,
Ma'am,
4.
4/6.
Yeah, that one you just tell. 4/6. Okay, next, Yuvraj. Total number of parts and shaded
Yes,
parts.
ma'am.
You just tell, ma'am.
Total number of part is 9 and the shaded part is 3.
It means 3/9.
3 by
Okay.
9.
Yes, Mahantesh. Good. Mahantesh,
Yes, ma'am.
you just tell shaded
2
part.
by 8. 2
2
by
by
8.
8. Good, good. Yes, sir. Gargi,
Ma'am, the next one answer is 3/4.
3/4. Good. So next one, Yuvraj,
Ma'am,
One.
which one you told, ma'am? Those shaded part are half or those are one
you just
triangle?
consider off means one part. Off means one part. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
18.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, Yuvraj. 18 parts and shaded part, tell ma.
Yes, ma'am. Half, 1, 2, 3, ma'am.
Shaded part, tell ma. 1, 2. You just tell
6,
shaded part. You
ma'am.
just consider off means 1 here. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
It means
6, ma'am.
here, this one is the one part, 2 part, like this. Tell.
6, ma'am.
6 na? Yes, good. 6/18. Yes, Harivardhan. This one.
Ma'am, 4/8.
Yeah. 4/8. Very good. Mahantesh.
12 by 16.
12 by.
12 by 16.
Very
16.
good. Yes, Gargi.
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
Ma'am, the colored parts inside there are white one, ma'am. Should we count that those are
So this
colored one also?
this one you can consider it as one part. So total number of parts and the shaded parts.
Okay, ma'am.
This is one part. This is one part. Like, tell.
Ma'am, 8 by 12.
8 by 12. Very good. Harivardhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell ma.
4 by 16.
Okay.
4 by 16. Very good. So next what we have to do means you just simplify. So 1 by 2 is already simplest way, simplest form. So this one you can divide. So 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. It means 2 by 3. This one 3 1s
Ma'am, 2
are
by 3.
3 3s are. Yeah, 1 by 3 this one. Then this one 1 by 4. This one, we can't divide this one. Next, this one, 3 2s are 6. Then, no, 6 table, you can directly divide by 6, this one. 6 1s are, 6 3s are, 1 by 3. This one, 4 1s are, 4 2s are. This one, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are, 3 fourths. This one, oh,
Ma'am,
this
it
one is,
is. Ma'am, we can't
wait.
do it. Ma'am, we can do it in 2 table.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 this one. Yeah. So you just divide this one by
2.
4 table. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 2 by 3. This one 4
Ma'am, we
1s
can
are
divide
4
it by
4s
2
are.
also, no, ma'am?
But 2 4s are 2 6 are. Again we can divide it by 4 2 again. So many steps it needs. That's why I just divide by 4 only. Yes, you just observe here. So which one is the common? So C and first one is both are equivalent fractions. 3 by 9 and 6 by 18 are equivalent fractions. Then 2 by 3. This one. B and this one. Fourth one.
Ma'am,
2 by 3, 2 by 3.
Ma'am,
2 by 3, 2 by 3.
1 by 2 and 1 by 3 are equivalent.
1 by 2, 1 by 2 equivalent, ma. How is it possible? 1 by 3, that one? Isn't it? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 only. Here 3 by 4 here. Here also 3 by 4, these two are. Then 1 by 3, 1 by 4, there is no equivalent fractions. Understood this one? How you have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You just write down as per this one. You just write down. So 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. These two are equivalent fractions. Okay, you just write
Ma'am,
down
the
as per.
third one
Fast.
and the even.
Yeah. These two, these two, these two, these two, these two. Write down as per. A is equal to 1 by 2. Fast, fast, write down this one.
Okay. Ma'am, in a roughness book.
I just sent this one to you in the group. Okay. So I just sent this one. After you can write down. Okay, I already sent the notes to you. Isn't it?
Ma'am, you gave the notes till integers only, ma'am.
Okay, I just sent today. Okay, you just complete the pair. Okay, I just sent this one. So up to second main is completed. In the next class, I just continue this one 7.3 exercise. So up to second main, you just practice at home. Clear? I just send the notes to you now only. Clear? You just complete the sixth lesson. Don't neglect that one. You just complete. Only 3 students. What? Super. This one only still going on means I just stop my class. So you just inform to your friends. Okay? Clear? Okay, in the next class I just ask 4 tables. Be ready and
Okay,
also complete
ma'am.
your pair. Okay, take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.